just yet. Welcome back. Today we're going to be coding a little bit more, and I'm going to first. Oh, it's working. It's working. It's kind of weird it wasn't going to work again today because it wasn't working yesterday, and that was pain. But it's working, so that's awesome. In case you're wondering what I mean by it's working, my Stream Deck, which is this thing, is one of my favorite things for my kind of content because I'm constantly switching between screens and stuff. This is how I control that. And when it doesn't work, I have a horrible time because I keep having to like manually click the scene change. This thing's a lifesaver. I don't even think it's not the stream. There's like a free app as well you can use. There's a bunch of other solutions. Just in general, having something on your table that you can just click and it does something that helps your stream, so effective. Anyways, that's completely off topic. We're gonna be coding some LeetCode just starting off today. I'm actually gonna try to finish yesterday's problem, which is already overdue, so it doesn't even matter anymore, but I just cannot let this go. Again, I've been working on this since yesterday, and I still haven't solved it. I'm like, I had a solution, but it wasn't efficient enough. And now I'm trying to fix it. I don't even know if this is going to be efficient enough. I think it might not be. We're going to find out. Yep. This is not a good problem for me. I don't know if I'm like overcomplicated. I don't think I am. I'm going to look at a solution. It's going to be like, oh, here's a 3-liner. And I'll be like, okay, well, thanks so much. I can't think of the 3-liner, so we're going to just continue doing this. Anyways, so I was doing, I changed this up actually, because I initially had this here. That's accurate. Yeah, this is all good. Ken's here! Yay! Did you finish your show? Oh, no, you already, what am I saying? Of course you finished your show. You were starting to play another game. My brain is dead right now. Clearly. So we already have, okay, so group data already has everything. So what I want to do is group data. Group data groups I, J is equal to I. Yeah, yes, I. You're playing Isle? Have you tried a new already in, or have you tried a new dinosaur yet? And while you're answering that, so all I've done right now here is I have just manipulated. Also not. This is actually wrong. Let me fix this. So what I've done so far is I've just made this thing that we now have an array called group data that tells us where each element, what group it is in, so we can more easily and hopefully more efficiently find the right solution. You're a baby? Baby, what's it called? Like Diablosaur? I don't know. I know how a scary sounding name. That's all I remember. Okay, so we have this so far. Now I have group data. Yeah, what we can do here is, so checked equals zero. So what I'm going to do is if we don't need this anymore actually because we have group data. We can just erase this. I got it right. Man, my memory, every now and then my memory's like, I will work today. And I am very surprised. But clearly today's one of those days. I will say, here is like something that you guys probably don't know about the stream. Which I think is, again, actually this, have I even mentioned this? I think I've mentioned it, but I don't think I've like really told you guys exactly what it is. So I can't play copyright music on stream, but I'm a huge music file. Like I love listening to music, and I love working to music because it kind of calms my brain. I think also like it's a for me what I'm used to. Like the thing that really gets me like hyped up what back when I was like younger and even nowadays, what really gets me feeling myself and like really like thinking and talking and being social is like a long walk with your headphones on, listening to some music. Like literally, I could talk to myself for hours on a long walk, listening to music. And whenever I do that, like I swear, the conversations I have with myself on a long walk, listening to music, is are some of the coolest conversations. Like the ideas that I have and everything, it just feels so much cooler. Now, are they actually cooler? That's up for debate, but I like it. I just feel like it just my ideas flow more. Now, I can't really reproduce walking, obviously, because I'm stuck in my desk. Maybe we'll add a treadmill one day, maybe. But I'm listening to music right now. But you guys can't hear the music because it's copyrighted. But I think when I listen to music, I just the ideas, the voices in my head start speaking. You know. But anyways, enough of me being crazy. Let's get to work. Okay. So what we're doing is we're having checked, and we have the index, and we want to push onto the end. For while I checked dot length. So we have grouped. Nah, okay. That's it. If group, we'll do val. We'll use val again. Val is equal to group data checked I. Okay, so val is equal to group data checked I. And then if checked doesn't include val. This is the one thing that like will kill our efficiency. But I'm hoping it doesn't kill enough to where it'll work well. And that might be hoping for too much, but I think this is where we need to go. You know what I feel is always so weird whenever I'm streaming? I swear this happens constantly. I'll be working on this, and I'll like snap back to reality. That's Eminem line. I'll snap back for a second and be like, oh wait, I'm streaming. Have I been silent for the last 10 minutes? Like literally I'll be like, I don't think I am. I think I talk. I hope I'm talking. I hope I'm being entertaining. But then like I literally am like, oh yes, I'm coding. I'm being very serious. Oh, I wrote like 10 lines of code. Wait, have I just been silent? And I don't know. Maybe I have. I'm always paranoid about that. Always paranoid. Okay. So checked push val I plus plus, and then we repeat this. This feels wrong. This is wrong. Ah. It was going too smoothly. It was going way too smoothly. Because this is not right. Because we don't want group data checked I. Checked I is going to give us the node, the group value that we want to go for. Oh, this is going to be pain. Do we want to do it by... No, we don't. We don't want to do it by node. Ay, ay, ay. There's a better way. There is a no. We're on the right path. I'm just approaching it wrong. Okay. We need. I'm doing this wrong. I'm doing this wrong. We need to use node data. We need to use node data because that tells us the connections. Okay, no. I know. I messed up. I know what I'm doing now. I'm back in it. I'm back in. So we want to go through node data. No, wait. Yes, no. Yes, no. I know what the final step is going to be. It's just getting to the final step that is proving and it's hurting me a little bit. We need to go through the entire group list. So, okay, let's do this step by step. We need to go through the entire group list of 1. So groups 0. Yes, okay, I have to do it this way. I was trying to avoid this. No, I still need to use no data. I still need to use group data. It all comes together. But okay, so we're going through all the checked. So we're starting at checked 0, and we want to see if we get everything from checked. So we're going to start at check 0. We're going to go in this while loop. We need a for loop. So for, okay, so we have let type. We have I already defined. So we'll do for let j equals 0, j less than groups checked. Hello, Karks Talks, and welcome back to stream. I think you were saying on the Discord that you're starting to learn HTML, right? Or am I thinking about the wrong way? Oh, I forgot to tell the Discord I'm live. Thanks for reminding me. I know that wasn't your intention, but you definitely helped. You saved me. You are doing HTML. Fun. Ah, we're live. I mean, I've been live, but we're officially live. Very important distinction. Anyways, okay, ignore all that. Welcome back, Karks Talks, and how's it going? How's your HTML journey going? I guess that's a better question. Are you using W3 Schools like I recommended? I'm not sure if we've talked about this. Have we talked about this? Have I given my recommendation? I mean, it doesn't matter. It's just a recommendation, but. So my cheat sheet for HTML is W3 Schools. That is literally, it's a website that is what I use. I still use it for like a references. And I'd say that the way it explains stuff and the way it helps you learn stuff, it's the one resource that I feel like is like super full featured. It's a full featured resource. Let me show you. So this is W3 Schools. It's just w3schools.com. Super simple to remember. Just W3 Web3 Schools. And literally, if you want to learn any of these things, you can. But if you want to learn HTML, you just start here. And it will teach you step by step. It will give you coding examples. And now here's the really cool project. And just drag this code into existence. So this code right here, I can just take this, dump it into W3 Schools, run it, and then we get literally just works. Like, again, this is the only resource I know that does this that well. And But then again, so like not only can like it'll teach you how to do this stuff and you can try it yourself and it shows you code snippets, but it teaches you in a very intuitive way. Like it'll walk you through everything. It has like little, you can do little quizzes and get like certified through the website as well, which is also really cool. And they have like this paid program. I've never used it, but I'm assuming it's okay. I don't know. I wouldn't recommend using it. And then literally if you go to like here, it'll just give you like all this stuff. And literally like a lot of times I'll be like, oh, I forget how their objects things work, right? Like, oh, that's JavaScript. Let's say, oh, how do I do responsive HTML? Click on this and it'll like explain how to like do this stuff. It'll show the code. It'll show examples of how it looks like. It'll like talk about interesting properties and edge cases. Now, it isn't complete. Okay, wait. So I'll get to compiler in a second. Before that, if you need something super hyper specific in HTML, this is like, or specifically like HTML, like CSS, JavaScript, like that kind of stuff, MDM Web Docs is the next thing I use. Let me show you guys MDM Web Docs. So the MDN Web Docs is the next resource I use. So this here literally just has everything, literally everything, anything CSS, etc. Quite frankly, I don't even use their website like this because they're clearly, I've never actually seen this page before. Their UI kind of sucks. What I personally do is I just Google the problem and I'll just click on the MDN website, or whatever comes up first. There'll be 3 schools of MDN. That's what I use. Now for compiler, actually it's really easy. Using HTML is super easy. And here's how you do it. Here is the magic. Literally just use any text editor. I just use Notepad, but you can do it in literally anything. And then when you run it in a browser. If you have an HTML page, a pure HTML page, or like HTML and JavaScript in a separate file in the same folder, or whatever, like, or in the same directory, and you have it all linked properly, if you just run it in your browser will compile. It's actually a compilation. You know, it is. Not even, no air quotes needed. But your browser will do all the work for you. So just, I think that's the coolest part, is because you can just run it like in Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you use. It all will do an HTML page. So if you just run it in the browser, it'll just work. And if you use VS Code, Visual Studio, I know they have like a built-in thing for websites. I think they even have like a hosting thing for websites. I'm pretty sure they do, at least. You can use their thing. Again, depending on how complicated you want to do this. I just write a single HTML file and just run any browser. But if you want to like do something a bit more complicated or something with VS Code, they have an inbuilt solution. So if you want to keep it there, that's how I would do it. So for a live extension, I know there has to be a thing for VS Code that allows you to do that. I mean, I know for a fact that there's a something called NodeMon or NodeDemon that for Node. I know you're not using Node or like Ubuntu or just Linux. Linux, and like when you're doing stuff in like Node.js and everything else, they have like if you're using React, they have a thing where it'll constantly update the web page based on changes. And VS Code should have something like that. I cannot speak from my knowledge or experience on that. So I'm sorry, but I can't help you on that. But I'm sure it exists though. I just Google it. Literally just Google it and you should be able to find it. But if you're just like me, okay, here, let me show you how easy it is for me to do this. So for instance, right here, I have my code running. Again, it's literally a file on my desktop that I wrote in Notepad that looks like this. Bring it up. Just this code right here, I literally written in Notepad, and I just saved it on my desktop as an HTML file, and I just ran it, and then you get this. And then all I do to like, let's say I change something in the code. Let's say that in my code, I add in, let's just do something funny. Let's make the button .style background color is gonna be red. We're just gonna change the color of the button. So if we do this, And I save it. So I save the file, and then I go to the thing. All I have to do, to make the button change or to update the thing is I don't got to rerun the code or anything. I just reload web page. Easy. Super easy. Again, that's just how I do it. I like this because of how like straightforward and like down to earth it is. But again, I'm sure VS Code has something. Just Google it. You'll find it. I have complete faith that there is a million extensions that will do exactly what he wants them to do. Because VS Code is so much more popular than what I'm doing. So there's got to be a way to... I should make... I should make a development browser. That sounds like fun. I'm not going to do it. Okay, getting off topic. Getting so off topic. Let me focus. Let me focus in. Okay, so we have the group data. We have this. So what we're doing is we're going through all the groups. Checked groups I.length j++, and then we're using group data. So we'll do, okay, now we gotta use val group data groups checked I j. See you, Karkstoxin. Hope you get a charger for your phone. Okay, so we get the val, and then if checked dot doesn't include val. I will say, coding in Notepad unironically makes me feel like I'm better in coding, like in general. Like I don't even look for like errors anymore unless I'm compiling. I'm looking for like a very specific, like a single character I missed. In general, like I'm so paranoid. Like Notepad makes you paranoid, and that is such a healthy mindset when you're doing something like this. Like you're constantly counting your brackets. It becomes like a mental like you're constantly thinking about it. Like you're constantly stressed, and that helps. I don't know if it helps in a good way or bad way. It's funny. I don't know. I think it makes you a better programmer. I will die on that hill. There are very few hills I'll die on, but that's definitely one of them. Okay. Checked on includes vals, then checked dot push val. Wait. Groups checked I. Oh. Oh. I'm wrong. I hate it. I'm wrong. Okay, going through all the groups, and then we're checking through all the connections on that group. Oh, this is gonna be okay. I'm hoping. Okay, I'm hoping that this feels suspiciously as complex as my previous thing. I'm just genuinely hoping that we've saved enough space efficiency-wise with our pre-processing that it is going to hold up against what I'm about to do. But I don't know, and that is actually very terrifying for me. So K is less than node data man, this is like so much pre-processing. It's actually not even funny. Yeah, no, we need this. Oh god, this is. I'm actually kind of scared that maybe these like this stuff is gonna like kill our efficiency. Just how complex. I don't know if this is actually complex or if it's. I just don't know. This feels wrong. This feels inefficient and I hate it. Okay. Okay. Val equals group data, node data. Node data type. Again, I'm just hoping. This feels right. This should work. All we're missing is an I++ here. And then, after all this happens, if checked.length is less than groups.length, return -1. And then return total edges. Do we still have total edges? And we can just do edges.length. We didn't actually remove the edges this time. Edges.length minus groups.length minus n plus. Why is it minus n? Total? Oh wait, no, yeah, it's minus. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. I'm kind of terrified. I feel like it might work. I'm gonna full send it. Let's just submit it and see what happens. If it just works, I'm gonna be so happy. Oh boy. How many edge cases do we? Okay. We're made. This is actually the furthest we've gotten. So efficiency-wise, it's definitely better. This edge case, though, what is wrong with this edge case? Okay, let's pop it in here and let's figure out what it is complaining about. Okay, so the thing is, we have these 3 ones, so it's 4. So 1, 2, 2, 3. So this should be the first 3 are combined. And the 4 is connected. So this should work. If check.length is less than groups.length. That's correct. Okay. Why is this complaining? Okay, let's print out the groups. And then print out checked. I don't think it's gonna be good because I think I'm putting the second console log in the wrong spot. 2103. This is correct. And then it says it's 0. Let's look at node data. I'm gonna just check all of our data pre-processing and just make sure that it is somewhat accurate. Are we missing anything else? Group data type groups checked. Let's just do this for now. Okay, so we have groups, that's accurate. Group data. This is node data. So node data. Okay, so for the 1. Why is this wrong? Wait, no. 1, 1, 1, these 3. Okay, so this is connecting. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 12 connections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, that's accurate. Okay. I guess I'm kind of worried. Oh, wait, is it just -1? Am I using edges? No, we're past using edges, so it all should be pre-scaled. Group data, node data, type. Oh, wait, is group data? No, that's fine. My brain isn't working. So groups. Okay. Let's do this by hand and make sure this is all accurate. I feel like this has to be an edge case. Okay, so the ones. 1 is 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 2. So 1 is connected to 3 and 2. Is that correct? Yes. 1 is connected to 4 and 1. Wait, what? Wait, sorry. 2 is connected to 4 and 1. 2, 4, 2, 1. Yes, accurate. 3 is connected to 1. Yes. 4 is connected to 2. Yes. This is accurate. And that's where the failure happened, right? Is it happening on the edge? Wait. Is it just complaining because it... Okay. Where do we get type? So here is type. Type I checked is 0. Okay, good. So starting at the first one. No, we only got through 1. So... Okay, so we've created this checked thing. We're starting at the first one. So this really should be like obvious. Let me just like print this out and see what happens. We're gonna get a lot of stuff. Huh? Console.log. Huh? Wait, does it not run at all? Wait, let's console log this. Thank you for the follow! I'm gonna call you Tomato. Is that okay? Welcome to the stream. If you have any questions of what I'm doing, because I'm going insane, let me know, and I'll try to explain my insanity to the best of my ability. Hello. Hello, boss. How's it going? Welcome to the stream as well. Wait, I'm missing something? Wait, is there something going on? Did I get a raid or something? Wait, let me actually bring up my Twitch properly. I'll stop being lazy for just one moment and properly look at what's going on my stream. Got create a dashboard up and running. I don't know, I always forget to do it. Oh, well, I will say, I don't see anything happening, so everything's fine. We did hit 500 followers, though. So, wow, congratulations. Well, congratulations to you guys and to me. I could not have gotten here without your support. Also, my hair looks horrible. I should be presentable for my 500. We're back, or nearly to 4 digits. Not really, about halfway there, but I'm still very happy. Thanks everybody for following me on my journey of self-discovery. Not really, my journey of bad coding, if I'm being honest. I can't lie too much, can I? Sorry, my adrenaline just spiked there. I don't know. Follows just get me excited. I gotta hype up for the crowd. It's like a boxing match. You gotta like get the crowd cheering. Except I don't think anyone's really cheering for me. I'm just writing obnoxious code. Okay. Anyways, back to me focusing on this. Focus in. So we're gonna print out the node data and see what we're actually getting here. I'm feeling it's like an empty array. That has to be what's going on. wait, no. Yes? Okay, let's see what we have here. I probably should, let me put something here. Break. I'm having too much data printed out, so I'm having a hard time actually following everything. Let's see what we have here. So break 0, so this is where the break happens, and then we're printing out the console, the val, and the node data. So node data here for checked IJ. Wait. I think I'm seeing it. This is inaccurate. It's node data dot node data type groups checked IJ. Hello, Mango. How's it going? Welcome back to stream. Node data. I'm doing pretty good. How about yourself? Node data groups checked IJ. Node data contains each node. We want dot length. And then we want to get group data from J. So node data type groups checked. Yes, yeah, that's it. That's it. I found it. I found a bug. Please. God damn it. What do you mean it isn't working? Okay, wait 1 second. Groups checked I. What do you mean it's wrong? Undefined groups checked I. I is less than check.length by definition. I++. What do we print out? Doing pretty good? That's good to hear. Karkstoxin is back. Welcome back, Karkstoxin. Okay. Oh. Hold up. Here's the issue. Why is it group data node data type? Wait, it isn't J. It isn't J. Hold up. Node data type. And then groups. Oh, wait, is it K at the end of this? Is it K? Oh God. Oh boy. Okay, no, I'm doing this wrong. I'm straying further and further away from God. Oh, what do you miss? Oh, it's me going absolutely insane because, okay, to explain what's going on, I have created these data structures to, okay, our problem is we're doing a more complicated graph theory problem. And the issue with it is for problems like these, there's so many interconnected relationships. I'm basically trying to create an abstraction on top of the graph to essentially figure out if it's interconnected or not. And I've created like 3 layers of abstractions, and I gotta like drop through the abstraction layers. And what you basically get are these crazy things that are overly complicated, which is all good and fine and dandy. But right now, I've lost track of how they work exactly because I've been working on this for 2 days now. I've been going insane for 2 days now, and it is. I'm close. I'm so close. I feel like if I can fix this bug that's currently plaguing my very soul, we'll be there. Val is. Let me just drag this into node data. Is this gonna work? I don't think this is gonna work, but if this just works when I say it isn't gonna work, am I a god for fixing it, or am I? Okay, it isn't gonna work. Okay, it doesn't matter. Hypothetical never happened. So same bug. And clearly the issue is node data. It has to do with this line here, because I'm guessing what's happening is it's returning an undefined. So node data 1021. Okay, well what does that mean exactly? Okay. Node data, okay, like I thought, it's actually more complicated than just a single array. Okay, wait, let me actually go through this step by step. So groups checked I. So this is going through each individual group. So checked out of length. We're going through each element of the group. I want to see where it interconnects. So then we then go through all the connections on a particular group's. There's an efficiency step I'm missing here. There's several efficiency steps I should be. We're gonna ignore that. We'll see if we need it. As of right now, I just wanted to run. I just want it to work. I don't even care anymore. As long as the code works, that's all I care about. So groups checked I.length. This is all of the element of group. Group checked I, J. That's all correct. And then we're getting no data for it. And this here should be. Why is it like that? Wait. I found a bug. Well, no, I had no. Hold up. I had this written before. This isn't a bug. This is just a minor issue I had. Listening to Andre while coding feels like a bomb defusal mission. Well, my code is always a ticking bomb. I don't think it's more of a bomb defusal. I mean, I think it's more like me trying to chuck a bomb away while in the midst of it blowing up. I think it's like watching a bomb blow up in slow motion. That is more what is. Oh wait, it's running. Do I just submit it? Oh boy. Okay. Efficiency problem. Honestly, I'll take it. How far do we get? Oh, last 4 test cases. If we get this, we're good. We're so close. So close. Oh, so many edge cases. I don't wanna. Okay. What is okay, the question is what is the weakest link? That is what I got to think of right now. What is the part of this code that if I just snip it, it's. You got me thinking in bomb defusal terms now. I can't stop it. This is what you've started, for the record. What is the little detail that if I just get rid of it, it's gonna work? What is it? What is my code? It's a time. It's not a memory efficiency problem. It's a time efficiency problem. If we can offload some of the issue onto memory, that's another way we can solve it. What? There's literally so much here. It has to be near the end. This part here is all linear time, so this is not a problem. Actually, we can actually. Oh, hold up. If I remove the console logs. Wait. This might just fix it. This is gonna be like the most. Time is ticking, Andre. This is the most. There's so many console logs for me checking stuff. Let me just see if there's any more console logs. Okay. I might just fix it. I hate. We're gonna have a million incorrect submissions. Oh, it worked! I'm a god. Oh man, that's actually hilarious. All my hands. Oh man, look how bad our solution is. This is like Impressively, we barely hit the guidelines. We're like bottom 5%. We failed this class, but I'll take it. I'll take it because it's accepted. And oh man, literally the one thing killing her, like the one thing that, like, literally, okay, the solution isn't great. I will fully admit that. The only thing I changed to like make it slightly more efficient was there was a bunch of console logs that I was using to look into the code from the console, and I knew I was thinking about it like a console log takes a lot of resources to print the output. So, but just by getting rid of those, you save efficiency, and it's not a whole lot though. It's like barely anything. But that was our solution was bad, but super close to the threshold, I'm guessing. So it just took that little bit to fix it. Okay, we're done. We cleared it. And the sad part is we missed the deadline, but we finished it, and I'll take it. I'll take it. I need to see what a better solution is. I solved it. I did not. This is a 100% Andre solution. No one's gonna. No one's gonna be doing JavaScript. Let's just look at a Python solution. Union find. Oh, last stream someone talked about Union find. What the fuck is Union find? W3 schools? Oh, this Geeks Freak. Never mind. I thought. If parent I is equal to I, return I. Else find parent I. Okay, union parent rank. Let's look at JavaScript. So it's a recursive algorithm. And this that includes J. Parent rank IJ. I'm confused. Is this just... What does this mean? Okay. I feel like I think I just came up with this on my own. Okay, I will say, okay, just FYI, what I'm doing right now and what I'm looking at right now, this is like not 99% of what you'll be doing in day-to-day like coding isn't this. If you need to be doing this, you're either doing something really cool or you've gone down a really, really wrong path, generally. It's like either you're doing something that's like, you're doing something godly, or you've made a severe miscalculation or mistake somewhere, and this is like your last resort of fixing it. Nothing in between. It's very rare that this is just like a day-to-day occurrence. If I is a parent of itself. Parent I is equal to I, then I is... Okay, I just don't get what they're trying to do here. I feel like it's what I'm doing recursively. Let's look at their code. Okay, on the plus side, their code is just as gnarly as mine. Okay, we're gonna look at their Python solution. Is it Python? No. Me. Can I like? Can I please just see like? Okay, sort the edges descending order. Iterate through the sorted edges and process them as follows. Did they actually do the mathematical thing I did? I think, okay, I think I lost a lot of efficiency in how I handled proving that it's a complete set. Because literally, almost the brunt of my code, is proving that it's a complete, it's a contingent set for Alice and Bob. That's like 99% of what is slowing my code down. If you remove that, everything else mathematically is like perfect. I've really got the efficiency down. Everything else, it should just be like end time. It is so clean. It's literally just this last part. So I think if I can figure out how they're handling it, I think I'll be in a better spot. You know what? I don't even care anymore. I've lost interest. We're just looking at our next daily. If it's another hard, I'm just gonna like, oh boy. Okay, it's another hard. Well, we signed up for this. Let's look at what this is. Wait, no, 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 no. Hold up, hold up, hold up. This is what I just did. Whoa, 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 hold up. I did this. Ah, it's an easy. We got an easy. I'll do an easy. I'll do an easy any day. 5 minutes. 10 minutes. Just in case it's a secretly difficult easy, which happens more often than you think. Hey Siri, timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes starting now.
Okay, 10 minutes. Let's do this. 3 consecutive odds. Give an array of R, return true if there's 3 consecutive odd numbers in the array, otherwise return false. So it's integers, right? Integer array. Okay, yeah, here's what we're gonna do this. Array.sort, and we're going to define the sort function because I'm used to it burning me on the sort. Return A minus B. And then for let I equals 0, I less than array.length. All we're going to be doing, or all we're going to do is we're going to go through this array, and then if we get into an odd number, we're going to see if it has consecutive odd numbers after it. Because integers, we can just, is it, are they unique? Honestly, I can make this even a little bit more efficient. I just thought of it. What we can do is we can return a minus b, obviously, for keeping it in sorted order. But before this, I want to also do if a2 is equal to 1, if A2 is not equal to B, oh, this is so gnarly. So if they're not the same, then we're going to return. I'm gonna just minus B2. This is gnarly. I just want to see how this works. I'm just hoping it's gonna literally just knock out or put all the odds first. Why do I think it's gonna be so cool? Wait, I'm gonna just try this out. I literally don't even know if it's gonna work. I just want to see. Come on. Let's throw in a 7 just for the fun of it. Like a 5 and a 12. One, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 12. Also, Ken just sent me a clip. I gotta take a look at this. Apparently it's of me. It should just be like end time. It is so clean. It's literally just this last part. So I think if I can figure out how they're handling it, I think I'll be in a better spot. You know what? I didn't care anymore. I've lost interest. We're just looking at our next daily. If it's another hard, I'm just gonna. Yeah, it's pretty funny. Like I really. Okay. Anyways, 1, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 12. Also, catch. Let's go back to this. So this is working. So for let I is less than array dot length, and array I is equal to 1. Okay, so this should just give us all the odd numbers. And then we'll do last is equal to array 0, and we'll just start at 1, and that should just automatically do everything for us. We're going to do count is equal to 0, and if array I minus 1, if array I minus array I minus 1 is equal to 2, I don't know if it'll let me have 2 of the same number. Okay, if we get that edge case, I'll account for it. I'm gonna just assume we don't get the edge case because that's kind of an evil edge case. I mean, it's an easy one to discount, but I'd rather not worry about it. If you know what I mean. I feel like I should count for it. I'll just account for it for the sake of in case they're annoying. Minus equals array I minus 1, literally do nothing. And then we'll do else if. Okay. So if it's the same, count plus plus. And then else count is equal to 0. And then if count is greater than or equal to 3. Not 2. Return true. Else return false. Let's console log. Array I. I'm going to just put all the data out there. Okay, let's run in and see what output we get. Why is it expecting true? Wait a second. What? It said 3 consecutive odds. There's not 3 consecutive odds in here. Wait, am I misunderstanding the problem? Are you oh, I should have read a full. It's even easier. I made this problem more complicated than it had to be. It's an easy. I hate them so much. It's such an easy. I made this problem medium. I just instinctively made this problem medium. Okay. We have like 30 seconds for me to finish this time I gave myself. Count is equal to 0 if array I dot array I to what am I doing? 2 equals 1 count stop it. Okay, fine. That didn't count just because I literally didn't read a question properly. Count equals 0 and then if count is greater than or equal to 3, return true, return false. Fuck. 1, 2, 3. What do you mean it doesn't work? Oh. I was still thinking 1 from the previous problem. There we go. It was a 30-second problem if I read the problem correctly. Okay, for those who didn't notice what my brain did. So the question is, are there 3 consecutive odd numbers? And my mathematically wired brain was like, oh, I think what it's asking for is in the entire array, are there 3 numbers, odd numbers in there, like that are consecutive? So 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, 9, that way. So is it like 3 odd numbers that exist in the array that I can pull out, and are they consecutive? And that's a slightly more difficult. It's not difficult. I still consider it easy. It took me like 8 minutes, but that's easy time. You know, I mean, I could have done it a little bit faster if I was thinking right. I definitely slow my own self down. But it again, I that's what I thought the answer was. But what I was really asking were, are there 3 numbers in the array that are consecutively odd? Which is a 5-liner. It's nothing. Anywho, I solved it. Easy peasy. Honestly, after they give me a hard, I deserve this easy. I deserve to win. It feels cheap because it was so easy. Is there even a way I can make it more efficient? How is there a better solution? How is there less memory usage? What did they do? I need to see the curve on this. How? What? No way. How do you... What is even over here? I don't even care. That's ridiculous. Anywho. Man, after all that, my adrenaline is like... What? I don't even know. I had nothing else planned for today. I was kind of like just expecting like an hour stream. Maybe we could do a little bit something a bit more. I don't know. I got other stuff I want to do tonight as well. Um, I think I'm gonna call it just because I'm actually gonna be working on make. Actually, I'm kind of curious because 8 hours passed. I'm gonna check this right now really fast while I'm. I don't know. You'll see my reaction live on stream. I think it's nice. Well, my reaction is this is not good. Well, my YouTube content thing I did today is floundering. Let's look at TikTok, see if that improved. Nope, TikTok already flattened, so that one's already fine. Instagram was still growing a while ago. I got another like. It's still growing. It should hit spike somewhere in the middle of the night. I posted on LinkedIn. For the record, what I'm talking about is this project here, which is like a converter for Fahrenheit and Celsius. Very simple if you want to code something. Anyways, I've seen enough. LinkedIn, I don't even know. If I ever make it big on LinkedIn, I don't even know what to think because LinkedIn is the most bizarre. So I'm going to go on record on saying this, but like LinkedIn for me, as someone who's like tried to learn more about marketing, it is definitely one of the more bizarre platforms that I've seen. Just putting that out there. That's just how the way I see it. Anywho, I'm done. Hope you guys all had a good day. Hope you guys all enjoyed the stream. I hope to see you guys on the next stream. Hopefully tomorrow. I keep trying to start at 6. I have a feeling I won't be starting at 6 tomorrow. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow and just have a good one. Stay awesome. We don't have enough for a raid right now, I don't think, unless my analytics are lying to me, which would not surprise me. No, my analytics are pretty spot on. So I guess I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Stay awesome. We hit 500. That's awesome. That's fun. And yeah, have a great one. I just genuinely like My energy peaked on solving those two problems. I'm happy I did, but that was definitely like a lot. Hards are no joke in LeetCode. Actually, okay, occasionally they're really easy, but sometimes just they hurt. They really hurt. Anyways, have a great one. I'll see you soon, and hopefully we're not doing it tonight, obviously, but maybe tomorrow if we get LeetCode done quickly, we'll work on next game jam. I gotta complete another game jam. I gotta properly complete one. So that's next on our